Hey guys, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm making a doormat. This is the first time I've made a doormat, and I had a little bit of trouble at first with the stencil, but I made some adjustments with my method and it ended up working a lot better the second time around. So check out this video, I hope you enjoy it. And there is a list of materials in the blog post that is in the description box. And make sure that you check out the file that comes with this. I'll let you know how you can get your copy of it at the end of this video. So I hope you enjoy and talk to you soon.
So initially I thought it would be a good idea to cut out my design on Oramask 813 stencil vinyl. And I thought that I could just lift it up without using transfer tape and just maybe try to position it on my mat and use that as a stencil. I knew it would be a little bit challenging, but I thought I could, figure out how to make it work. Well, unfortunately, it didn't work out quite like I had planned. I started peeling it up a little bit, and you could see here I'm struggling with trying to get it all up in one piece. But, as you can see, I am just struggling here. I thought, okay, well, maybe if I can flip it over and get it to stick a little bit. I even tried using some thumbtacks to anchor it in place. But yeah, it's not working, you guys. Huge fail. All right, so my second attempt was getting some cardstock and cutting out a stencil using some cardstock. I used my light grip mat, and then I got some painter's tape, and I did have to put the insides of the letters and position those in place manually, and I also secured them a little bit using some thumbtacks. They weren't the most secure using the thumbtacks because the thumbtacks didn't quite go in all the way, but it worked well enough, and I just had to be careful. And I am using a stencil brush along with some outdoor acrylic craft paint. There's a link in the description box for these items, and I just am using an up and down dabbing motion. I'm trying to be really careful not to have any kind of bleeding. I don't want to get under the cardstock that I have set as the stencil, so I'm just being really careful and going up and down. That up and down motion is really key because that's the only way that you're going to be able to prevent any kind of bleeding with the doormat. If you're enjoying this video, I would absolutely love it if you would share this video with your crafting buddies and hit the like button and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, so I'm just about finished here. I'm going to finish up this M, and then I am going to remove my stencil and see how this came out. So I'm starting to remove the inside pieces there, and there it is, you guys. I am really happy with how it came out. It came out a lot better than I expected. The lines were much crisper than I expected, considering that, the surface is kind of a rough surface. So I'm really pleased with how this came out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. you're interested in this file, be sure to check out the link in the description box. This is part of my ultimate Spring SVG bundle. This is over 50 files. It's worth over $300 and I'm selling it for only $20. So make sure you check that out. It's got everything from St. Patrick's Day to Easter to Mother's Day, and a commercial license is included. So if you have a small business, you can make items using these files and sell them to your customers. So enjoy, check it out, and let me know what you guys think. If you're on YouTube, make sure that you subscribe and be sure to like and comment as well. And if you are on Facebook, I wanted to let you know that Facebook actually hides most of my posts from you. So even if you've liked my page, there's a good chance that you've missed many of my videos. So if you like seeing my videos and you want to see more of them, all you have to do is just follow these steps. If you're on a desktop computer, just hit like and then following and then click see first. Or if you're on your mobile, make sure you click like and then following and then get notifications. And then you want to click see first. Now you'll get notified anytime I post something new or if I do a live video. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.